What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install CineStyle in the Canon cameras here, and I'm going to use Canon EOS 5D Mark III. okay, so for you, if you have Mark II, Mark IV, 80D, 90D, there is no problem. And then here too I have the Canon USB cable cord for Canon, guys. Okay, this is which am I going to use to connect with my camera and PC. So guys, here too, and I have the Technicolor, which am I going to install it in my camera, and then I have to download the Canon EOS Utility, which it will help me to install this Technicolor CineStyle in my camera. So first I have to download it on the Canon website. So guys, let me just come up here on this Google, and then let me type the Canon EOS Utility for download. Okay, so and then I have to come here on this website. So guys, here you have to select your product. For example, me, as I told you, I'm using the Canon 5D Mark III. okay, so I have to come to choose the Canon Mark III, guys. Okay, here where is Canon 5D Mark III is this one. That means, guys, here you have to search what the camera are you going to install for the CineStyle. Okay, so for me, I'm using this Mark III, and then make sure here I'm using the Windows 11. So now here you will get this utility for your Canon. Okay, and then you have to press here to download. So let me just download it. Okay, now you see, guys, this utility is already downloaded. So when it has already downloaded now, so when the download is done, so now it is time to install it. Okay, so guys, I have to open it, and then I install the EOS Utility. Okay, then so guys, here for me I have already installed it. Okay, so you have to click next until this software it is done. Okay, and then guys, when the software it is already done, now let me just come up to open up this EOS Utility, the software which we have been already installed. Now you see, guys, what they told me is to connect my camera with PC. Guys, remember that here, and I'm going to install this Technicolor CineStyle, okay, which has this format pf2 file. Okay, so now guys, the things I'm going to do, so and then I'm going to connect my camera with this PC by using this USB cable cord for the Canon. Okay, and then guys, before you connect the camera and your PC, make sure you have to turn on. Okay, and then make sure this camera it is in the picture style, so you have to move it in this picture style. And then guys, before I install this CineStyle, then just come up here on this menu. Okay, and then let me check it out, which the profile picture this 5D Mark III it has. You see, guys, there is standard portrait landscape, the faithful monochrome, user 1, diff 2 and 3. Okay, and I just want to install my CineStyle, so I have to choose one of these, if it is in the user default 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so I will choose one where I have to install this CineStyle. Okay, so now and I'm going to connect it with my PC. So guys, after connecting this camera with your PC, now you see this EOS Utility it is already opened. Okay, so now the things you have to do, you just have to come up here on this, then they told you it is EOS 5D Mark III. Okay, so now you just come up here on this camera settings. Okay, and then just come here on this register picture profile style. Okay, so you have to press here on it. Here guys, there is user default 1, default 2, default 3. Here you can install it anywhere you want. Okay, but for me, let me just use this user default 1. Okay, so now just come up here on this browser, and then just go to browser where your Technicolor the CineStyle it is located. Guys, for this CineStyle you can just download it. The link it is in the description down below. Even there is the link for this Canon website where you can get the EOS Utility, depend what the kind of the camera you are using. Okay, just all the links you can check it out in the description down below. Okay, so now guys, here let me just select this CineStyle and then press open it. Now you see, guys, Then they will show you the settings of this CineStyle, how it is, the sharpen 0, contrast -4, saturation, and then color tone, and then you have to press OK, guys. And then When you're done, now you have to quit this utility, and then now you see the S-Log is already installed in the camera. First, let me take a look and let's see how this CineStyle image looks like. Let's go to check it out.